in a game by 2. That's over the bag. Hosmer slides on the grass, and Coleman is there to end the inning.
Here's the 0-1, and he swings and grounds it to first. Backhanded by Hosmer behind the bag. Flips to Ventura, who gets to first right in front of David Lowe. Swinging a ground ball to first. Hosmer's there. He'll sprint to the bag. Both diving head first to the bag, and Hosmer's glove gets there before Davis's hand. It looked like a game of football, and a couple of guys trying to get to a fumble.
Hosmer has it, goes second, back to first, double play, no run score. That was really nicely done, 3-6-1.
I'll say.